Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Hank from Baby Shark's Big Show. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Today we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to draw two round big eyes next to each other. And this eye is going to be a little bit behind. And now we can draw the pupils. And of course the light reflections. Now right on top of the eyes, you're going to draw the eyebrows. We're going to draw the bottom parts first, and then we're going to make it nice and round on top. Let's fill the pupils and the eyebrows in. Now right below the eye, you're going to draw a cheek. So we're just going to draw a little curve. And that's our cheek. And now from the cheek, we're going to draw Hank's mouth. So we're going to draw a light smile, make it round, and a nice curve on the bottom. And inside the mouth, we're going to draw Hank's teeth. So I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to draw the first tooth. And then on this side, I'll draw the second tooth. And then right behind the teeth, the tongue. Now we can draw Hank's cheek and then the bottom part of his body. So I'm going to start here right at the eye and I'm going to make a nice curve. And then my curve at the bottom will be kind of flat. And I'm going to stop roughly there. And then we're going to draw a fin. So you're going to draw a fin right there. Now, since we've done this fin, we're going to do a fin right behind his cheek as well. There we go. Now, on the sides, we got these beautiful red cheeks. You're going to draw a circle there, and you're going to draw another circle on this side as well. And let's continue with the tail. Now, from the fin, you're going to make a slight curve upwards. And now we're going to go to the top, and we're going to draw Hank's head and then his tail. So make it nice and round on top, bring it down and curve it out and stop right there. Now from there we're going to draw the fin, and then right on top there's a breathing hole on Hank's head, and then just an exclamation mark here on the side as well. And there's Hank. Now check my picture out and try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.